What's up, guys? So today we are reviewing Shopify 3D print-on-demand stores, and we're looking at Tubi Design, and we're going to be looking at what they're doing well, what they could be doing better, and what they could do to increase their sales even more. But looking at the site right now, pretty standard site, a lot of text to land on. I would simplify that all down, get rid of a bunch of it, but I will read a bit of it here. Ditch the ordinary and embrace the extraordinary. Dive in the design and magic of 3D printing. The possibilities are endless. Looks like they might be a print service. Oh, no, it's items. It's just items. Cool. All right, so Tubi, here, what do you got? Ooh, first of all, wait, go back here. I want to make a point. How do I go back? Give me my thing back. Look at this. You can see the layer lines on these, and it's not off-putting. That actually kind of adds to the charm of these items. Can I show these? Can I see those? Do those pop up as top result? No. Oh, here we go. 3D printed robot. 2 reviews. Oh, right. This robot is printed flat, so you get this textured look. That's okay. It looks nifty. The design of this actually kind of uses the design of the layer lines to where it gives it a style, kind of like a wooden puppet and that kind of stuff where you have the grain in it. It looks cool. From this product listing, though, I would say you have way too many color options because you're going to scare the customer. 5 maximum. Otherwise, the customer gets decision fatigue. Interesting that you're saying color, primary color, rather than color. America. Highly discounted, so this may not be selling very well. The product photography is good. This one is very, very good. Oh, this is the, okay. They're sourced from Flexi Factory, which is a Patreon where you can get these files so that you can print and sell them yourself. So you have to have that tag right there to show your commercial user. But the rest of the photography is good. That's a really good photo. I mean, it's white on white, but the contrast of it is very good. The composition and the color grading is really good. You want to show examples of all the colors you have available, and you can use templates or nuggets to do that, or swatches to do that. Using the filament itself generally isn't very useful. It's not very true to form. So I don't recommend it. And there's way too many color options right there. I'm sorry. I got to sell that way because there's way too many color options. But going back to the main site, let's see here. All these little flexi things. Oh, earrings. That's cool. So Flexi Factory. So your commercial seller of Flexi Factory. I'm going to look at you got a few reviews here. What is the most popular item by reviews on here? A little bit of everything. A couple of different designs. So yeah, for the people watching, this Shopify store sourced a bunch of 3D models and is reselling them and has improved them by adding better product photography and building out the store and doing the ads around it. So you don't have to design all your own products. You can just go source really good designs and be good at marketing and running all this stuff. Service in Tamworth. Tamworth sounds like a British place, which was why I would assume it's pronounced Kalur. Let's see here. What probably the world's widest selection of colors. Okay, colors is the part of the hook and part of the value proposition. Again, I don't think it's that increasing your conversion rate or your sales of the items. $50 is what you want as far as free shipping. 50 pounds. Oh, I should have noticed that from the beginning. 50 pounds. This British store. Okay. Overall, though, product photos are good. Thumbnails are good. This is correct pricing. For a little fidgety like this, about $6, and normally 7 or 9 is right. That's the right thing to do. These other ones, these could be more expensive. I mean, well, you normally have them at 19 and you have them discounted right now. I don't recommend discounts. If conversion is causing a problem, and literally if there's a $1 difference between conceptually similar items, fidget item, make them all the same price. Make them all exactly the same price, and your conversion rate will go up because you eliminate a thought for the customer. They're just like, everything costs $19. I'll buy whatever I want. And then they're looking at what they want to buy rather than thinking about how much does it cost, how much does it cost, how much does it cost. Oh, this is 5, this is 19, oh, this is 18, this is 2. Does that flip me over the edge? A dollar doesn't make a difference in the customer's mind, but having to think about it does. Looking at this one, lots of colors. Not as many reviews as I would expect for the store. Like, this is a good quality store. The store is well built out, has all the details that you want. Oh, is his mask articulated? Is his faceplate? Helmet, visor. There we go. I got to there in the end. Can't tell. It also looks like something that would help you. The title is good. I wouldn't use 3D printed. I mean, you're presenting it honestly. You don't need to say it's 3D printed. I don't say I have an injection molded shoe. The service where I bought my shoe didn't say this was injection molded. It's just 3D printed, and that's what it looks like. That's fair. Description. Product description. Okay, that's pretty good. It's a portal of chivalry. This seems like a generic kind of a title. I'm gonna go look at someone else and see if that title is the same, or that description is the same. I hope not. Okay, this is okay. This is a better description because it actually says stress toy. Okay. Oh, and Matt Meyer Makes is the source for this 3D model. Don't put dimensions inside the title. Don't put dimensions inside the title. It's not really useful unless you really have multiple listings of 6 inches, 8 inches, that kind of stuff. This should be an option inside of the listing. More axolotl. I don't know what that is. I'm not Googling that. Then this is the one term that differentiates this from everything else. This is a 3D printed teen 8 inches. There are many things using those terms. Don't use 3D printed. Don't use 18 inches. Describe this. This is a fidget toy salamander, a relaxing salamander, fun salamander 3D print. So, don't put 3D print in there. Fun salamander toy, that kind of stuff. That should be your title. Just multiple words describing what this is, saying what it is. And then have the description follow up on that. Use ChatGPT to help you. This is a really good way to get titles done. But beyond that, photos are good. Website design is fine. And then, let's see here, about us. Let's see what you got going on. Oh, meet the creators. I want to meet the creators. Okay, silent shows. That's a good thing to do. Started up in 2021. Fairly recent. Really recent. Good for you. Looks like from number of customer reviews. Oh, customer reviews right here. Let's see how all this stuff is going. Recent reviews. 73 reviews for the store overall, which generally correlates to somewhere between 300 and 700 sales total generally. That's good. They're all within England. Oh, if you want to expand the store. Obviously, you're in England, so you have international shipping if you want to sell inside the United States. Or you can plug in a print-on-demand plugin like Slant 3D, and you just match up U.S. listings to files. And then when somebody in the U.S. purchases it, Slant 3D will print it and ship it to the customer inside the U.S. so it gets there faster, and you don't have international shipping fees, and the customer doesn't have international shipping fees. The limitation on that is that there are not as many colors. You have like red, black, yellow, those kind of things. Metallics will be coming at some point in the future, but they're not there right now. So it might be a little bit limited there, but that lets you get access to the U.S. without having to ship to the U.S. and dealing with international shipping and all that shenanigans. Life just gets easier. So that is a way to expand your store quite a bit. But I would say the biggest thing you could do is go through and refine your titles and your descriptions, mainly your titles, and then standardize pricing as much as possible and reasonable. But other than that, product photography is good. You've sourced good files. You've got a good store layout. I mean, this is all fair. As far as advertising, share it around and that kind of stuff. Don't share it in 3D planning places because that doesn't help you. But beyond that, everything looks good. Keep up the good work.